just wait. You just applied Bane on everyone.
Oh shit!
Castle.
I'm sorry. That's Bane. It didn't take away. It didn't take away your things, did it?
Like, are you lying?
Attack.
Cast a different
Sorry.
spell.
I think that's really it's on brand for Flavian though.
They are right
Oh,
next to each other in my backpack. T, and then T, right?
Yep, correct. And then hit bless in your spell.
And then
It should apply the effect.
do this. One sec. And I want to say something when I
learning curve, guys, but this is why I like doing it with this system. It just wait. You just applied Bane on everyone.
Oh shit!
Castle.
I'm sorry. That's Bane. It didn't take away. It didn't take away your things, did it?
Like, are you lying?
Attack.
Cast a different
Sorry.
spell.
I think that's really it's on brand for Flavian though.
They are right next to each other in my backpack. Wait a second. Are you still targeting?
I'll let you have a do-over. Yeah, you can do that again. They're right next to each other, I guess.
They are. They start with B.
That's what she said. Oh.
Okay.